In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Calendly scheduler embedded directly on a Shopify page or section so visitors can book with you without leaving your site. Start by opening your Shopify admin and launching the theme editor. This is where you can edit the layout of your storefront and place new sections. In the preview on the right, navigate to the page or template where you want the booking calendar to appear. Click in the exact area where you want to place it. This helps you insert the new content in the right spot and see how it will align with your existing design. Add a new section and search for custom liquid. Select it. This section type lets you paste embed code safely, which is perfect for Calendly. Now jump over to your Calendly dashboard and locate the event type you want to embed. Next to that event, click the three dots to open the options menu, then choose Add to Website. When the embedding options appear, pick Inline Embed. Inline makes the scheduler appear right on the page, matching your site's flow rather than opening a pop-up. Click Continue to generate the code, then use the copy code option. This copies a small snippet that includes Calendly's script and the specific event link. Head back to the Shopify theme editor, select the custom liquid section you added, and paste the code into the code field. You should see a live preview load in a few seconds. If it doesn't appear immediately, wait a moment for the script to initialize. Keep the code exactly as provided. Editing the script or removing attributes can break the embed. Click on the section in the preview to highlight it and confirm it's in the right spot on the page. This makes it easier to adjust padding or width using your theme's standard controls if needed. If the scheduler looks cramped, consider placing it in a full-width area or a wider column. Most themes will respect Calendly's responsive layout, so it should adapt nicely on mobile. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use the same event link across multiple pages if you want consistent availability, and remember that any changes you make to the event inside, Calendly will automatically reflect on your site. No need to update the embed code each time. Finally, preview your page on mobile and desktop to ensure the calendar loads smoothly and the surrounding content is spaced well. That's it. You've embedded Calendly into Shopify. Happy booking!